Hi, my name is Ludovic Otterbein. I'm the head of compound management and analytical chemistry for Lundbeck. Lundbeck is a Danish company located in Copenhagen, and we are here today at the SLAS 2015 in Washington, D.C. So following the implementation of our new strategy and the acquisition of equipment from TTP Labtech, the service maintenance became a very focus area for us. Those equipments are central to our research, so we have to make sure that we have up-to-speed equipments, most up-to-date maintenance contracts to ensure that those critical equipments are always up and running. So during the purchasing phase of the new product, TTP Labtech has been extremely supportive to us. I see them not as a vendor, but as a co-creator of the solutions that we have put in place. They have helped us to design the new solutions, design what type of hardware will suit us the most, but also help us understand how we could interact all those equipment with our internal IT systems. So the main challenges that we faced following the acquisition of the equipment was actually moving the collections from the old store located at the CRO to the new store. And that has required some effort in terms of reformatting the collection, going from the 1.4 milliliter tube to the half milliliter tube. But that has been done in 5 months. The installation itself from TTP was extremely fast. In 1 week we had all the equipment installed, and 90% of them were directly linked to our IT system because of the work and the support that we had from TTP before installation. So following the installation and implementation of all our equipment, we have had very good support from TTP. Obviously there's always a little bit of adjustment that needs to be done to the machine, but they have been very supportive. The offline access to the equipment has been extremely useful in terms of adjusting those settings, but also they have always sent engineers on site very quickly in the first few weeks of the implementation to adjust those settings. After that, we've almost never seen them again because the equipments are running perfectly. I mean, what we've been very pleased about from the support we received from TTP Labtech during the implementation and after the implementation was actually the speed and the responsiveness of the organization. Very helping us to make sure that we were happy with the new equipment, that our workflow were efficient as we had the ambitions, but also that we were delivering quality to our customers. When we started the training of the staff in my group, I was actually very surprised because after 20 minutes everything was done. The machines themselves are so intuitive that the training was actually very small. Overall, we've been very pleased with the work that we've done with TTP Labtech. I believe that we have created a very good partnership, and we have identified and designed and developed a solution that fit Lundbeck purposes and Lundbeck needs in terms of sample management.